Hello everyone, good morning. How are you today? I hope we are always in good health and doing our best. First of all, let me introduce myself. I'm Priska Octaviani. Here I want to fulfill my scientific writing assignment from Mr. Ariadna as the lecturer of this course. So, the title is What I Learned from Mr. M. Tahir lecturer last week. We discussed and analyzed an article entitled Returning PhD Graduates, Maneuvering Research, Productivity, Identity, and Institutional Culture. From the article, we learned a lot about the part of article or thesis from the title until the methodology part. The first is the identity of the article, usually consists of author name, the title, the journal name, and etc. The next is the abstract. It is the summary of the research. At the end of the abstract, there are keywords. It can help we as the readers to find out the article that we are looking for. The next part is introduction. In this part, we as a reader leads to know about the research, why this research needs to be done. This section usually contains several general writing about the research topic and usually discussing the key terms from the research topic. For example, the article we have discussing with Mr. M. Tahir, there are key terms like PhD graduates, managing research productivity. So in this section, all of these key terms will be discussed well. Not only that, there must also be a problem of the study in the form of questions. So we also know the problem of the research we doing for. Not only that, there must be objective of the research, and the next is the scope of the research. It's focused on research in one direction. It's also called a limitation. And there are two research significance, namely theoretically and practically. One thing is almost important is previous research. Previous research is all the previous research that has the same theme as this research. From previous research, we can find a gap of the research. We know that gap is divided into three. The first is phenomena gap, theories gap, and research gap. Mr. Tahir also teach us how to find these gaps. We can find gap in the end of the introduction part, but before the purpose of the research. The next is research methodology. It contains 5 parts. The first is research design. We also know that qualitative and quantitative can use to be research design of our research. The next is data and data source. Data can be presented with diagrams, tables, and from tests. For data sources, the example is DICJ class, STEM 2023 students, and population, for example, one class at DG 2023. The sample is 20 students. And then the next is data collections instruments. It can be in the form of audio, G-form, and video. The next is data collection techniques are carried out by observation. For example, collecting students first and then doing the research, and the last is data analysis techniques. Additionally, in composing sentences and paragraphs in scientific writing, coherence and cohesive must be considered. coherence is about making everything flow smoothly in our writing, and readers can see that everything is logically arranged and connected. And cohesive means that in our writing, the relationship between ideas one to another ideas is easy for readers to follow. For example, in our writing, we can use conjunctions words like and also, but furthermore, however, and etc. We can use this conjunction word to connect the paragraph one and to another paragraph. So that's all the useful information that I got through last week meeting with Mr. M. Tahir. Thank you for watching, and I hope what I explained before can also be useful information for all of us. Thank you. Bye bye guys.